Did you ever heard your management says we need to be customer oriented? But the problem is whenever you decide the product features, either your technical team or your senior manager talks about it. This is the problem. When you talk about the project problem, when you talk about the project opportunity, the biggest problem is we all need to focus on customer, but we don't want to understand their pain or gain. In the context of agile project management, I would say when I'm going to merge design thinking with agile, the first phase of design thinking is empathy, where it requires you to understand the problem rather than the solution first. So, the overall concept of design thinking is we have to start from outcome rather than output. And this is what we used to teach in agile project management. And generally, when you say we are doing agile project management and we have multiple iterations, it means every iteration is actually helping your customer to achieve their outcome rather than achieve your product and future. So if you want to understand how to empathize with your customer and develop a product which helps them to achieve their outcome, then do join our agile project management with design thinking workshop. Thank you.